Welcome to this video, guys. I'm excited to unbox the LiveTrack L-12 by Zoom. Just came from Amazon. $5.99, but I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna dive into this in the next few months. This is gonna be the new board for the studio, for the YouTube channel, for the live stream. Let's open this bad boy up. Leatherman, trusty little Leatherman there. So my neighbor went and got it for me. Check this out. Let's see, what did it look like? Camera in it. It's got some cables. So cables, gotta have cables. Ooh yeah, cables. Like, what is that? I guess that's a USB cable. Power supply. Some foam. Okay, here it is. It is the reveal. I want to put my eyes on this bad boy. Oh yeah. Put my eyes on this bad boy. Look at that thing. Okay, it's just got some mounting brackets, which there is a rack mount for this. Okay, and then this is the back. It's got like power, host, mode, but this is just, look, this is about the size. I can hug this like this. It's not that big. It's not super heavy. That's a good thing. It doesn't feel like, it's not really all metal. It's kind of like plastic, really. Like a little plastic. It looks nice. I mean, this looks pretty nice, and it's pretty lightweight. I really wanted the L8 because I wanted it to be small, because I'm going to mount this right here, right next to me, out of the frame. This will be mounted to where I can reach up and grab it. So how I use this is going to be right there, and so I really wanted the small one. I was so excited about this gear. I already read the manual before I even bought it. Let's just talk about the main reasons that I bought this mixer instead of the L8, which is like the podcaster. Compression on every channel. That's the one reason I bought this board over the L8. Compression on every channel. Every channel on this mixer has compression. And the other reason that I picked this over the L8 for you guys who are musicians is this has sweepable mids. So it's the L8 has low, mid, high. This has low, sweepable, mid, high, which I think is going to come into play. And also, I believe this one has a little bigger screen. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but as the pictures I can see, this has a nicer screen. Also looked like it had a little bit nicer faders. I don't know for sure, I've never seen the L8, but it's probably just the same thing. But it just seemed like some of the buttons on this were different, so I thought that was kind of cool. I'm a musician, I'm gonna be recording, I'm gonna be doing vocal stuff. Also, I think there are more effects on this. Just the way that the interface is on this is a little bit different. And there are 5 headphones. I don't think I'm gonna need 5 headphone mixes, but some people, like if you're blogging or podcasting, want to do mix minus, and they like that simple version of the L8 to do mix minus. But I'm like, you can do mix minus very fast, very easy on this. You just need a splitter for your phone. So I saw in a lot of reviews is this has phantom power split up, so you can have these channels have phantom power and these not. So that was not a big deal for me, because I don't mind running phantom power into everything. It probably could hurt your other equipment, but I just, you know, a lot of boards I have, phantom power just comes on these channels and I plug stuff into them, and probably shouldn't do that. The back of this board has more stuff too than the L8. Let's plug it in. All right, check this out. And it's coming on. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Oh, that's real pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. It says no card. I believe I can do some stuff. Go to the menu. I can move stuff around. Look at this. When I move stuff around, I can mute stuff. I can do all kinds of stuff. I can push buttons on this all day. Master. Oh, there you go, master. The master fader. Select different channels. Work compression. I think this works just like a, you know, if you move this, then you can see the lights move. And you go to this different channel. You can pan each channel. Okay. There's no push function on there, but that's okay. Looks like it kind of remembers where you're going. So if you put this on the left, it would just move around. Yeah, I like it. I like it. This is gonna be good. So I think it's just, supposedly when I watched all the other videos that I could see, EQ on and off. You got your EQ for each channel. Wow, you can turn your EQ off. That's nice. The buttons are pretty nice. They're just regular buttons. I mean, this isn't like a $3,000 mixer. This is just $5.99. You know, it's not like you can recall, you can reset. I wonder if you can reset everything. It's got these little buttons on here. Yeah, I'm gonna plug all this in. I'm gonna do some videos of this week. If you have any questions right now, if you're like, I've got a question about this board, just let me know. EQ on and off, kind of like that. You look like you can change the reverb. Oh yeah, you can just change the verbs. Okay. Put the Hall 1, Hall 2. I'm sure I'll find one that I like. I'm very simple. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm gonna pick a nice verb. I'm gonna use just a little bit of reverb on the vocals. I'm gonna set the gains, and I'm gonna just plug this in. You know, I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna record, and I'm gonna use these outs for some headphone mixes. Very simple thing. I'm looking forward to just hearing good, simple sound quality out of this right into the live stream, right into the recording, right into the mixer. It looks like it's folders, metronome. Let's see, I have the H4n, so this is a lot like that. Metronome, system, SD card. It's got a talkback mic. I won't use that. It's got a folder. It's got projects. Record, play, record format. Okay, record format, 24-bit. Yeah, I'll probably keep it on 16 for now. Let's see, pre-record, record level meter. Okay, record level meter on. Yeah, I want to record level meter on. I don't know what that means. Play mode, record format, auto record, pre-record, record level meter. It's got that stuff. You hit menu, you can go back, folder, project, no card, metronome. I'm not sure. I read different things about the metronome. I won't use this. I won't use any of that. I'm just going to basically slate. So let's go into the slate level, 20 dB routing. Where's the mic? It's going to different places, I guess. Yeah, okay. So I'm not going to use that either, but you know, I'm just going to use this record play. I'm going to use some effects, and I'm going to use the channel strip. So this is basically it. I feel like just in a few minutes I can see how this will work. If you want to do different scenes, you can do different scenes. These are your A, B, C, D, E. These are your monitor mixes. You know, so if you're going to do a mix minus, you can do that. This looks like you can turn your effects on and off for different levels. I guess the thing I did read, like if you put this up at 0 and it's on A, it's going to be on 0, and if you move it around, it's going to change. Okay, if this fader is down here and you go to A, it's going to show you where it is. Go to B. So if we put it up there for B, and then we go to A, it's going to show us that's where the fader's set. That's where the fader's set, and it won't reset until you move it down. Go to B. Remember, I put it up there, so when you go up there, it'll zero it out. So that might be a little weird. It's not movable faders like I'm used to with the X32 or something, but it's definitely like just very nice, good solid feel. Like I said, the reason and the main reason I picked this above the L8 was that I just wanted the extra sweepable mids. I watched a ton of videos. I can really tell you the main difference is, yeah, you get a couple more headphone outputs, whatever. I don't think many of you care about that, but what you do get is a sweepable mid and compression on every channel. The L8 has no compression and no sweepable mids, which are two of the, I think really the bones of you know, they're not just like, oh, we got an extra couple. I think it only has 3 headphone mixes too, which, like I said, I'm not gonna have a bunch of band members in here doing anything. And I don't think I'm going to need a whole bunch of tracks, but you really do if you want some good quality, even on your voice for a podcaster. I think you really do want some compression, and I do think you want to be able to sweep your mid frequencies to do your EQ. So it's just that alone, I think was worth a few extra $100 because sound quality of what I'm doing is really important. And then of course also, yeah, if I want to expand and do some more recording, I could record a full out drum kit with this, so that's the case. This is very much less portable, so you know, you got to think of that. If you really want portability, the L8 would probably be better, but then again, you're going to lose the sweepable mids and the compressor, which I think for overall sound quality, if you're singing through a guitar, that compression just really helps even stuff out. So I don't know why you'd ever want to give that up. But that is the L-12 Zoom. I think this thing is going to be awesome. In a future video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe and get notifications, because I'm going to show you, I got a thing coming that I can mount this to. I'm going to set it up, show you how to use it for Facebook Live, recording. I'm going to show you how to do that stuff. Over the next couple months, I'm going to just dive into this on the channel so you can see what I'm doing. I know a lot of you guys like to say, I'm going to do something, I'm going to do my own channel, I'm going to record something, and man, I've tried a lot of stuff. This, I think, is going to be a game changer over the other board I'm just getting rid of. Okay, God bless you, and I will see you on the next video. Hopefully it will sound amazing.